Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Hairstyle Trends. Today I brought to you very amazing collection of bob haircut ideas for women over 50. I hope you will like all the hairstyle, all the haircuts. In this video you can see different shapes of bob haircut. If you are new on my channel, I request you to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video can reach you. And please let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.